We need some bread that we can enjoy. Ezekiel has a sprouted grain bread. The wrapper is orange and it says low sodium on it, but if you look at the label, her slice has no sodium. It's a heavy bread, kind of a wheat-ish bread. If you like that kind of bread, you can find this either in the frozen bread section at your grocery store or on the shelf. Healthy Heart Market has a rice loaf that has no sodium. First time I ordered this, we had company from out of state who also has to watch the sodium. Well, it came while they were here. We got real excited. We opened it up and cut it, and we each took a bite and said, oh. Then I read the label. Toast or microwave before you eat it. We toasted it, put some unsalted butter, a little bit of jelly on top. Not bad. This makes great French toast. All the sodium you have is in the egg and the little bit of milk that you whip up because you're going to fry it in unsalted butter. The shelf life on this when you get it is over a year. Once it's opened, it has to go in your refrigerator or your freezer. That first order also had no sodium pickles. So we had egg salad sandwiches for the first time in a long time. Nature's Own butter bread at my grocery store has 90 milligrams per slice. It's a white bread, very soft. Nature's Own Life 40-calorie bread per slice, honey wheat, has 65 milligrams of sodium. My grocery store used to have a bread that was really low sodium, and it was really good, but they discontinued it. Check out your grocery store. You might have one that's lower than what I can find. Keep reading those labels.